What should I do if I was injured in a car accident in Colorado, but I live in a different state? Hi, I'm Attorney Chris Nicolaysen from Springs Law Group. Let's talk about that for a minute. So you're visiting the state of Colorado and you get into a car wreck and then you have to go home to your home state. And the question is, what do I actually do? So the reality here is it's actually a Colorado case. So where if you get an attorney, you're going to need a Colorado attorney to help you out. But your treatment is actually going to be where you live. So you want to find medical doctors and treaters. So an urgent care, your primary care doctor, a chiropractor, physical therapist, neuro psych, a surgeon, all of those from your home state and get your treatment there. But then your Colorado, because the accident or the crash happened here is where things would actually occur. And then what happened is the attorney, or law firm may actually reach out to other lawyers that they know out there to get recommendations and kind of some guidance of people that they know in their area to be able to help you out a little bit from the process standpoint. But the lawyers in the state of Colorado that you hire are going to know what the Colorado legal process looks like. So just because you live in a state, but if you get in a crash in Colorado, it means it's going to be a Colorado case. So I would still treat it as a Colorado legal proceeding in that sense, but your treatment, your care, and things like that are still going to end up happening in your home state. And so that's kind of what happens if you're injured in a crash here in the state of Colorado. Now, if there's a lawsuit filed, ultimately what's going to happen is you're going to have to, you'll do a deposition. Potentially these days you could do that at your home state, but just do it via Zoom. There'll be a mediation. And again, that may be able to be done via Zoom as well. But then at the end for trial, odds are on hand if your case does go to a trial, you're going to have to come back to the state of Colorado for live testimony in front of a jury. So those would be some certain things too to think about as you proceed with your case. So from pre-litigation to litigation and through the lawsuit phase. If you're in the state of Colorado, had your crash, but then live somewhere else. So if you have questions about that on, hey, I was injured here in a crash in Colorado, but I live somewhere else, what do I do? Feel free to reach out to us here at Springs Law Group.